Good morning, boys and girls, and I am here today to present some information about primary sources. Let me click present for you. Primary sources are those firsthand accounts, those direct connections with an event. They are diary entries, manuscripts, newspaper articles, and if you recall that speech that we read in Wonders about that Abraham Lincoln gave, the Gettysburg Address, that is also a firsthand account. It's a primary source. As we go through this lesson today, this is a video for you about primary and secondary. Now, why do I want you to know about secondary as well? I want you to know the differences. I want you to know that there are two different types of sources, primary and secondary. I'm more concerned about the primary sources, though. I want us to really get a good handle on what a primary source is. Remember, they're the first-hand accounts, the direct connection with the event. A diary, a manuscript, newspaper articles, speeches, those are just few of them. The video shows you great examples of both primary and secondary, but I want you to really look at those primary sources. So, your activity today is this. You're going to go ahead and you're going to read this article. It's from a newspaper. So, we already know it's a primary source. It's from about orphan children, and it's from the Oskaloosa Independent in Kansas. And you can tell when it was written, it gives you the date at the top. And then there's an article that gives you some information. Remember, this is a primary source. So after you read that, what I want you to do is I want you to tell me what kind of primary source this is. Now, if you need to go back in my video, I just told you what that was. When was it written? Where? Remember that it told us right at the top where it was written. Why? After you read it, why was it written? What questions does this primary source make you think of? I just want one question in that box, okay? Now, how do you type in the box? You can't be in present mode to type in the box. So you're going to have to be in just your normal, regular viewing slides mode, not present mode. Once you have that, then once you've typed in these questions, you can turn it in, submit for me, and we'll look forward to what we're getting into on Tuesday. So again, we reviewed primary sources today. Primary sources are the first-hand accounts, the direct connection with the event. Diaries, manuscripts, newspaper articles, speeches that people have given, those are all primary accounts. Okay, see you Tuesday.